How's it going, guys? Andy here and welcome to another video. In this one, I want to address some of the concerns I'm hearing on the Facebook groups about the future of online arbitrage. What is the future? What does it look like? And can we continue to make money with this model? First of all, let me get this out of the way. Do I think online arbitrage is dead? No. I still think there's a lot of opportunity to make money within the online arbitrage model, and I expect it to be that way for some time, but it is changing. There's no doubt about that. The profits aren't what they were 5 years ago, and obviously the competition is tenfold higher. I've already spoken recently about the fact that people tend to enter the Amazon marketplace with the online arbitrage model. So the percentage of new and inexperienced sellers in OA is a lot higher compared to that of private label or wholesale. So you will see more instances of newbies plunging the prices of decent products out of inexperience, misunderstanding and fear generally. You don't tend to get that in other marketplaces because if they've already made a successful private label or wholesale business, they've probably already figured out the importance of profit. I see margins getting squeezed across the board now. A few years ago, you could expect 30 to 50% with OA. Now I hear people struggling to get 15 or even 10% returns. And then as you scale your business, the VAT threshold quickly comes around because that's based on turnover, don't forget, and not profit. So then your workload increases with extra bookkeeping, extra admin duties and responsibilities. You need to be very careful you don't fall into the trap of just creating another stressful job for yourself. Online business for me has always been about freedom and giving me the choice of how I live my life. You have a choice. You are the captain of your own ship, so you can take a step back and ensure your business is going in the direction you want it to, and not just ending up somewhere while you were busy working hard on your business. When I first started selling on eBay back in 2006, there was no YouTube, there was no Facebook, there was little in terms of community and certainly no education or course for me to take. So I had to test new techniques for myself, track sales and discover my own strategies, find my own path, as I did when I started with Amazon. FBA was relatively new in the UK at that time and there was little information online and certainly not relevant to me in the UK. So I tested out new markets. I spent years forging new routes and figuring it out as I went. I've developed my own strategies in wholesale that focuses on profit over turnover and working in markets with competition that won't slash the prices on you. So if you want to keep ahead of the curve and you're 100% online arbitrage at the moment, I will be looking to get into other models right now. So you can mitigate any potential decline in profits that may or may not happen in the future and minimizing risk by having your assets in multiple categories. If you want a little more detail on how to do that, I'm hosting a 1-hour live wholesale training session on Wednesday. It's free if you want to join me. The link is down in the description box below. I will be able to go through my own business models in more detail, and I'll show you why brand gating doesn't affect my business at all, how to make more profit by doing less work, and I'll show you some things that you won't ever learn on YouTube or Facebook, because I've developed them myself over the last 10 years. So if you want to expand your business into wholesale this year, you're welcome to join me. The link is down in the description box below. It's going to be a lot of fun. Alrighty guys, thank you very much for watching. My name's Andy Lawrence and I will catch you on the very next video. Bye for now.